Today's topic is common misconceptions about conveyance allowances for factory workers. So, before I dive into the topic, where I will be talking about some misconceptions and the solutions also I will be providing. So, before diving into the topic, let me introduce myself. Hi, this is the Bosmita Basu. I'm a holistic business automation coach and I'm running my business in HR domain. My organization is in Navi Mumbai. And we are providing training and coaching to become an HR. So let's dive into the topic. What are some common misconceptions about conveyance allowances for factory workers? Several misconceptions surrounded the conveyance allowances for factory workers. It is important to address these misconceptions to ensure a clear understanding of the allowances and its implications are here are some common misconceptions. Number one, conveyance allowances is mandatory everywhere. One common misconception is that conveyance allowance is mandatory in all the regions or countries. As discussed earlier, the mandatory nature of the allowances depends on the specific act or rule. Yeah. As discussed earlier, the mandatory nature of the allowances depends on the specific act or rules governing the employment in the respective regions. Conveyance allowances covers all transportation costs. Another misconception is the conveyance allowance covers all the transportation costs incurred by the employee. In reality, the allowances is designed to provide financial support for the commuting expenses, but it may not cover the entire cost. Conveyance allowance is the same for all the employees. Each employee's conveyance allowance may vary based on the factors such as distance, mode of transportations, and frequency of commute. It is important to calculate the allowance accurately for each individual. Conveyance allowance is fixed and unchangeable. The conveyance allowances may need to be reviewed periodically to account or changes in transportation costs or other relevant factors. Employers should consider adjusting the allowances as necessary to ensure it remains fair and reasonable. Conveyance allowance is guaranteed forever. The provision of conveyance allowance can be subjected to change based on the employer's discretion or changes in legislation. It is important to stay informed about any updates or changes that may affect the allowance, but dispelling these misconceptions, both employers and factory workers can have a cleaner understanding of the conveyance allowances and its implication. This knowledge will facilitate informed decision making and ensure fair treatment in the workplace. Conclusion: importance of understanding and complying with the act of the rules regarding conveyance allowances for factory workers. In conclusion, understanding the act of rule behind the conveyance allowances for factory workers is crucial for both employers and employees. While the mandatory nature of the allowance may vary depending on the regions, comprehending the legal framework and regulations governing this provision is essential. Being aware of your rights and entitlement related to the conveyance allowances empowers you to make informed decisions about your compensation package. It ensures fair treatment in the workplace and promotes a positive work environment. By exploring the complexities surrounding the conveyance allowance, we have shed light on whether it is compulsory provisions or not. While the mandatory status may vary, the benefits of providing conveyance allowances make it a desirable component of any compensation package. Remember to consider factors such as distance, mode of transportations, cost of transportation, and frequency of commute when determining the amount of conveyance allowances. Stay informed about the law or tax implications and consult professionals to ensure compliance with the preventing legislation. Implementing conveyance allowances in the factory setting involves careful planning and communicate within planning and communicate with the employees. By following the necessary steps and addressing common misconceptions, employees can establish a fair and compliant process for providing conveyance allowances to their factory workers. In conclusion, understanding and compiling with the act or rule regarding conveyance allowances for factory workers is essential for a harmonious and equitable work environment. Stay informed, know your rights, and make informed decisions to enhance your professional journey inputs. So, if you found this video useful, please feel free to share among your friends and your colleagues, and please make sure that whatever you are learning and whatever you are please implement that, because my intention is to make you aware about HR policies and terms and policies. So please stay updated, and we'll meet you in the next upcoming events which is going to happen in Mumbai and in Delhi. This is an offline event. So if you all are interested to meet me in person, understanding more about the company policies, please feel free to connect. And my email ID is passorecruitmentfirm@gmail.com. If you are the job seeker, please feel free to connect. And if you want to grow and upgrade yourself, please feel free to connect. So thank you very much for watching. God bless you.